Good morning, students. We are continuing in the lesson 1 sentence. First, you write it here, classwork, then lesson 1, and write the name of the chapter and write the date in the left side. Now, begin. We are continuing with the exercise. Put the following subjects and predicate in order and write the sentences formed by them. Means here subject is given and predicate is given. We have to rearrange them because you all know that sentence made by subject and predicate. So in this subject, brother, younger, my. You are seeing that my is written by capital letter. So we start with this. So we write the answer. You all start to write it. My younger brother always takes my book. First sentence is completed. So we have to rearrange it like this. In the next one, subject is Sam and Rahul. Predicate is given outside, often, play, noise, and house make a R. In this sentence, second one, when we make the sentence, we have to write first the subject Sam and Rahul. And the predicate is we have to arrange like this: often, play, outside, our house, and make a noise. So the sentence start like completed like this. Now come to the third one. Subject is I and my mother, and the predicate is yesterday to temple went a. When we rearrange it like a sentence, we have to write in the first subject I and my mother went to a temple yesterday. Okay, like this you have to come to the next one. Next one is fourth one. Subject is match final and the predicate is take place tomorrow will. In this, final is written in the capital letter. So we write the sentence like this: final match take will take place tomorrow. Will take place tomorrow. Like this we have to arrange the sentence. Next one. Next one is accident the. So write the answer like this: the accident happened at which place? At Times Square. Okay. Come to the next. Subject is given the all players. Predicate is for England leaving are tomorrow. In this, all is written in the capital, so we write like this: all the players are leaving for England tomorrow. Okay. This sentence is completed like this. Next, subject is toys my and predicate is lying on the floor are. So write the sentence. You are seeing that in the subject my is written with a capital, so you complete the sentence, rearrange like this. My toys are lying on the floor. So, and put the full stop at the end. Come to the next sentence. Subject first six the match the off and the predicate is was Sehwag's from bat. In this you write the sentence like this. The first six match was from Sehwag's bat. So the answer complete like this. Come to the next. In the ninth one, subject is given brother my younger and the predicate is hurt yesterday got. You are seeing that in the subject my is written in capital. So we start like this. My younger brother got hurt yesterday. So the sentence is in the rearranged form. So now we begin with the next exercise, exercise D. C is completed, we come to the D. Supply suitable predicates to the following subjects to make meaningful sentences. In this first one, Ankit is given as subject. We have to add predicate there. So we write as a predicate in the blank. Ankit is doing the craft work. In the first one, subject is given Ankit and we completed is doing the craft work is the predicate. In the next sentence, children is given as a subject. So we write the predicate like this. Children are playing in the garden. So predicate is written like this. Come to the next one. Their math teacher was not well. So we write like the predicate like this. Next is Steve and Selma. Steve and Selma is the subject and we are going to write the predicate. So Steve and Selma are the two persons. So Steve and Selma are best friends. Okay. Come to the next. In the next one, fifth one, subject is my parents. You have to write my parents take care of our needs, as you all know this, na? So the sentence is completed like this and do as the same I have given in the copy. Start writing and complete these two exercises in your copy also. Okay. Thank you.